Hey, what's up guys? Today we have a couple little things we need to do to Wendy's Nissan 240SX. Unfortunately, while she was driving it, one of the hubs decided to give out, and let me show you here. So her driver's side hub decided to give out. I knew that there was an issue with it. I was hoping that it wasn't going to give out so early, especially since she really doesn't drive the car. But it turns out that the knurls on there aren't holding the studs anymore, and so one of them is actually so loose that you can see some movement. So we got a replacement for it, and hopefully it just bolts right on and everything goes good. That way she can be squared away and drive it again. But unfortunately, we also found that it's leaking so much oil from the oil pan that we're actually going to have to pull the engine out. So it may not be this weekend, but it's going to be soon. Hopefully we can get this sorted out. That way she can keep driving it and we can start cruising together. And now also we have the new project. I took one of the tires off to see if I can go and get them replaced, but it turns out that the rims are actually 12x6s. See, 155 SR12, and America's Tire couldn't find me any. They told me that I would have to jump up to a 13-inch tire, that way they can find me something, and I just don't have anything as a backup right now, so I'm gonna have to look through the internet and see what I can find. Hopefully we can get it going soon, because this is actually another exciting thing that you know, we need to get it running. That way we can cruise, take it to meets and whatnot, and it's just going to be fun. Okay, so we're going to be taking off the caliper first. It's a 14mm. And then we got to take this piece off. I believe it's a 19mm. Yeah, 19mm. Now we got to take this cap off. Okay, so now we got to take this dust cap off. And so here you can actually see what happened is that this one is damaged. So see how easy that came out? So it's actually damaged in here, and it's not holding these bad boys in anymore. So instead of messing with it, trying to get it reground or redone, look, this one's damaged too. We're just going to change the whole piece out. I mean, we have a replacement, should bolt up like nothing, and she'll be able to enjoy her car again. Alright, so loosen up the nut in the middle. There you go. And once it gives, pop it out. And it should just come out in one piece. Alright, so after taking off this piece, if your race stays inside, you're gonna have to give it a couple light taps and it should slide right off. If it doesn't slide off, most likely you're gonna have to use a puller or cut into it without actually cutting into this piece. So we'll clean it up real quick. Slide your new piece back in. Yeah, that's a good fit. Alright, so the wheel bearing has to be torqued down to around 104 to 150 foot-pounds of torque. So we're going to do just that. And once you got it tightened down, throw your cotter pin in there. And just bend it over the front of the spindle. Make it nice and flat. Put your dust cover back on. And we're good to go. And there it is. Now, I would have put extended lugs on it, but we just didn't have time. We need the car to actually drive. So extended lugs are going to be left for another day. So cool. Let's put everything back together and let's take it for a spin. Alright guys, well, we actually got it done. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I get some more exciting content later. Right now it's just mostly maintenance that I'm doing to the car because, I mean, they're old, you know, they need the maintenance. But hopefully I can get some aftermarket parts soon, throw them on there, and show you guys a good time at the racetrack. I'm actually going to be at Apple Valley Speedway sometime in March, so you'll be seeing the 350Z out there ripping it. Hopefully I can get some content with that. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.